Today, it gets even easier to take SMT assembly in-house. Introducing the LumenPnP V3. Unlike the LumenPnP kit, the V3 comes almost completely assembled in just a few parts. Assembly time isn't measured in hours, it's measured in minutes. The single cable chain design keeps the wiring clean and makes adding upgrades simple. The upgraded motherboard has sensorless homing and skip-step detection, and the included toolkit has everything you need to get going. Plus, the LumenPnP now comes with a dual head configuration, which means you'll be placing twice as many parts. V3 also comes with what we call the FTP, a test board that helps you calibrate the machine and learn the ropes of running a job. We walk you through the entire process, and everything you need to run the job comes included in the FTP kit. And if you ever need a hand, our support team is just an email away. Passive feeders and strip feeders work great with the machine and only cost a couple bucks to print. But for powered feeders, we're planning on entering a public beta this fall and having a finished design by the end of the year. If you've got a free table, you can assemble your boards in-house. The LumenPnP allows you to manufacture your product yourself, and now has never been a better time to get started. Hello my goblins and ghouls. We've heard your feedback on the machine and we've been working hard on implementing a whole bunch of changes and optimizations to it. We are super proud of V3 and we cannot wait to see what you make with it. Now if you still want a kit, don't worry, we're still gonna be selling them. We are also selling pick and place PCB kits now. Thank you for your patience on this. We really wanted to make sure that we fulfilled all of our obligations with people who bought kits before we open this one up. These kits include all the PCBs you need for a LumenPnP build, which is the motherboard, 2 ring lights, and a datum board. And as for feeders, we understand that they are an incredibly important part of the SMT process. Right now, passive feeders and strip feeders are a great solve, but as I said in the clip just a minute ago, we are doing a public beta with powered feeders this fall, and we're shooting to ship by the end of the year. It's really important to us that we put them out when we know for sure they are good and they are ready and they are validated. We know what it means for production speed, and we're really excited to hit that milestone. So if you've been holding off on pulling the trigger on a kit because you didn't want to have to print all the parts and put the whole thing together, this one is so much easier to get going with. It really does bolt together just so fast. And the included calibration board, the FTP, which I kind of think of like as a benchy for pick and place machines, it does make calibration so much easier. It really does. I've been using it internally for calibrating machines here at the office. I love the thing. It's fantastic. This version just makes it a lot easier to get going. So if you want to pick one up, there's a link right here, opula.io. There's a link in the description, and you can click the card and go check it out. Anyway, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.